Welcome guys, so my location is in Hanover. One place I'm calling him Sandy Bay. Yeah man, so welcome to the channel. So we're in the Sandy Bay area. Yeah man, I'm calling here so Sandy Bay. So take a tour with your tour guide Reid. So tell me what you like about this area. Leave it in the comment section, let me know how go on. Yeah man, and you also can indicate where you're watching from. Big up on yourself, you know. One love and one heart. So when you're in the Sandy Bay area, it's very close to Lucy Town, Hopewell Town. Yeah man, need to check out them places when you come to Jamaica. At least you know have an understanding and can see how the road set up. Yeah man, I feel Reid that show you how to go on to this area. Yeah man, press the like button man, free of cost. Yeah man, I'm talking to you. Press the like button. Free of cost. One love and one heart. Thank you all for tuning to the channel. True Jamaican Vibes for Reid. I see where you are leaving Sandy Bay. Yeah man. Boss I ride for them bicycle and exercise himself. Yeah man, there's some hot sun in Jamaica. That's so Jamaica sweet, you know. Some people from all over just come to Jamaica for our beautiful sunshine. The sun is shining in the morning and also the sunset. Boss are hustling cane on the roadside. Yeah man, all about the hustling. If you make the left turn, it will take you all to the Kenilworth Estate, something like that. Yeah man, you have a hard trust down here. Northwest. So where you watching from guys? Where you watching from? Yeah man, leave in the comment section, let me know if you ever toured them area before. What you like about this area, what you dislike. Cause you're not gonna like everywhere in Jamaica, to be honest. All over the world. There's some place you're not gonna love. You're not gonna love it. You'll like some place, but not every place. when me a driving and me have a sip on me Arizona, keep your strength up, you know. Yeah man, so them have some guinea power that side, lychee, pear, you can name it all. Yeah man, so if you make the left turn, I see where it could take you all to Cascade, and right there you can see a coconut and pine stall and also mango. So if you want to know fruits, turn off, you go to Cascade in Hanover, you can stop there and get your fruits. Yeah man. And also watch the road. People them have a speed by the road here, my people. What we say? All about the living in Jamaica. Nice life. Place is so beautiful. As people would say, Jamaica. Some people say them now come back to Jamaica, come live. Some people say, we can't wait to come home. But Jamaica nice. I see we're in this area. I don't see where you have a lot of houses. I would say on the main. I don't know if any turn off community nearby like Cascade or built up in that area be. I don't know, on the right side I see that's a bit of water over there. Is the sea. So I don't know how built up is this area be. But still a nice place. Also the road condition is very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Do you want to answer? Sorry, I didn't get that.
at the turn off to Dolphin Cove. As you can see, swim with the dolphins. Okay? Always remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. True Jamaican vibes for your Reid.